Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Lexi and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this lighting by making a DIY ring light. If you're like me, I'm just starting YouTube and I'm not sure if it's something I want to continue or I don't know, this is my first video and I'm not trying to spend a shit ton of money on, what's the word for it? Equipment. I'm not trying to spend a shit ton of money on equipment if it's not something that I'm gonna be doing consistently. I'm gonna show you how to make a DIY ring light for about $30 and you can get everything you need at your local Walmart, Target, I'm sure anything like that. I got all my stuff from Walmart, but let's just jump right into it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need, I got all of this stuff from Walmart, but I got it whenever I went grocery shopping, so I don't know exactly how much I spent on it, but I can look at the prices on my receipt. So the first thing I need is zip ties. You can get this from the craft section or where they have all the fake flowers at Walmart, but you're gonna need a wire wreath. I got an 18-inch one, which I think might actually be too big, but guess we're gonna find out. And then you're gonna want to get a paper towel holder, which literally just looks like this. You can get it in whatever color you want because it probably doesn't really matter. And then you're gonna want to get the, holy shit, I got 16 feet of LED rope lights. I got them in the daylight because I don't really like the warm yellow lights. I have those on my vanity right now and they don't really do much for me. They're also Christmas lights. But anyways, let's get started. So you're also going to need scissors, which, obviously, but first thing I'm going to do is take this little tag off of here and I'm going to flip it over where it's kind of it points. This side is pointing up, where it kind of lifts, and you're just gonna open your little lights like this. So I'm gonna leave a little bit out, that way it'll have room to plug in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the bottom, that way I make sure I have plenty of room. And you're just gonna start wrapping this all along the inside of where the little lines are. And zip tie the first one as well. So you're just gonna go in there just like this. As you can see, all I'm doing is going around, and they have these little, I guess they're just support. I don't know, they're not beams, so I don't know what you'd call them. They're just little bitty support bands, and that's kind of where I'm placing all my zip ties for right now. But I'm kind of just zip tying the second layer to the first layer, but I'm also going underneath the backside still too. Threading it through the wire. Okay, so now I'm starting on the third layer, it looks like. And like I said, I'm just going to try to keep all of my zip ties lined up with each other. we have about 4 rows here. Now I'm just going to go through and cut all of these zip ties. So now that we have our ring light fully established, what we're going to do is take this bottom part here, you're going to take your paper towel holder and you're just going to zip tie the fuck out of it and pray to God that it stands. Finished product. She's very lopsided and I would definitely recommend getting a 16-inch wreath, but we are about to plug it in and try and figure out how to make this shit work. Okay, moment of truth, which, as I'm sure you saw in the intro, I'm filming with the ring light that I made. I will say the one thing I had issues with was it being like a little bit lopsided on the paper towel holder, so I would 100% recommend getting the 16-inch wreath instead of the 18-inch wreath. Also, in my video, you can see me hooking it to the tallest one in the back, and I would recommend doing it if you get the paper towel holder with 2 separate sections. I would definitely recommend doing it on the front one, if that makes any sense, and make sure that the bottom of the cord is facing towards the back, which I'm sure like I could have ran it around it and it would have been fine. But for the most part, yeah, my name's Lexi. Like and subscribe. I'm not the most craftiest person ever, and trust me, if I can make this shit, then you can too. Because, like I said, I am not a crafty person whatsoever, but this was so easy. So, definitely recommend. Comment down below some other videos you would like to see from me. I think my next one, I got my BoxyCharm in the mail today, so I think my next one is probably going to be an unboxing of BoxyCharm, even though it's already like the 14th or 15th of January, and everyone has probably already posted these, and you probably don't care, but thanks for watching!